TOZO has been pretty spot on with their true wireless earbuds. I mean, I've been using the TOZO T12 for quite a while without any issues. But let's see if the TOZO T6 can hold up and continue to keep the torch burning right after this. Let's go ahead and jump to the unboxing. But before I do so, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share this out, and also hit the like button as it truly helps out my channel. Again, it states here T6. Comes in different colors as you can see there. And this is how they look. Got the case there. Comes with some extra ear tips depending on the size of your ear. And then the charge cable, as you can see. Let's pop this open. I got big fingers, look at it. How do I have time to dig in here like this? I gotta rip this open. Type A to Type C. All your different ear tips. Several in here depending on the size of your ear canal. You have the charge case here. Status lights regarding the battery life of the case. Earbuds in there. It's in there magnetically, so they're not going to just fall out, which is pretty dope. And this closes magnetically as well. Let's pop these out. Charge port at the bottom. And here you have it. Let's remove this film. It's always important. Boom and boom. You can see the R right there for the right earbud. And of course, you're going to see L for the left. And of course, if you're wondering, there's a quick guide and a user manual in case you need it. Now, just to quickly go over some specs or some features for the TOZO T6. It has Bluetooth 5.3. It has an ergonomic design, as you can see here, for your ear. 50 hours of playtime. And in this case, of course, Type C at the bottom, but you can also charge this wirelessly. We'll put that to the test as well. It has an app for EQ customization and is rated IPX8. So it can handle some water. So you can possibly be by the poolside, go for a dip, and not have to worry about damaging these earbuds. Now, I would not recommend going underwater for a long period of time while wearing these, but you can definitely be by the poolside. Of course, you don't have to worry about sweating or being caught in the rain. Now, with all of that out of the way, I want to do a quick comparison now. Of course, T6, T12. You can look at the case. Look at the size difference. Easily fit in your pocket. It can fit in your pocket, but you can see some bulk to it. Now, I'm not going to lie. The T12 has been holding its own for several years, right? I still use them up to today, especially in meetings or even making phone calls. But it's definitely well welcome to have a smaller case and hopefully the same type of performance as the T12. Now let's do a size comparison of the earbuds themselves. Of the T6 compared to the T12. There you go. This is the Galaxy Buds Pro 2. Pretty much similar in size, as you can see. So that's pretty cool and good to know there. You can look at the case size difference. It's pretty close, a little bit taller. And the Galaxy Buds Pro 2 case is thicker. There you have it. Let's get to the main reason why we're here. Let's put these to the test. I'm going to go ahead and get this paired up with my phone. You know the drill. I'm going to go ahead and play some music, watch a couple of videos, make some phone calls, and see if the quality is there with these earbuds. And I'm also going to download the app and try to play with the EQ and see how nice that is. But I'm going to go ahead and test this out, and I'll be back with my final thoughts on the TOZO T6. Just for reference, the app that you're going to download is the TOZO app. And as you can see up here, you can skip, so you do not have to log in. Let's go ahead and tap skip and go through the process of getting them set up. I have my test listen with these, and I got to tell you that they are really, really nice, very comfortable to wear, extremely light. In fact, you put these in your ear, it gets to a point where you even forget that they're in there. They are extremely light. They don't add that pressure in your ear. Now, on top of the TOZO T6 being extremely comfortable to wear, the sound quality was extremely nice and crisp. And not only that, as you can see here, the app, you have so many different EQ options. I mean, that's just a plus. It starts off without doing anything, it's going to be on standard. But then you have minus bass, bass plus, classical, all the different options. The two that I prefer is rock and then bass plus. Hip hop is okay as well, but as far as my go-to is going to be bass plus or rock. But you have all these options on top of that. And again, at a budget. Now, regarding the bass, I will say it's not heavy punching, but it's more in that sweet spot. So it's not overpowering, but just enough for you to enjoy what you're listening to. Or if you're watching a video, it's enough to get you through that video where you're still able to enjoy it, and it's not on that super light side. It's right at that sweet spot. So for a budget-friendly earbud set, I definitely know that these are a winner in my book. Watched a few videos, as I mentioned earlier, no problem. Did a little bit of gaming, no problem. I did not notice any lag. If it was very bare minimum, where it's not even noticeable. And I made a few phone calls without me yelling. They heard me crystal clear, and I heard them crystal clear. So all in all, definitely a winner. So all in all, the TOZO T6 are definitely a winner. Let's drop this in here. Here we go. And let's see. Move this up some a little bit. And there you have it. Wireless charging. How cool is that? If you're interested in the TOZO T6 True Wireless Earbuds, then go ahead and use that link that's in the description section of this video. But this concludes my unboxing and honest review for the TOZO T6 True Wireless Earbuds.